Hey guys, this is a quick video, guys, of something I've been doing lately. It's a little secret, but I'm ready to let you guys know and let you in on it. So, let me show you what it is first. Okay, this is a sitz bath tub, okay? So, I got this off of Amazon. And it came with this little bag. I guess you put it in it when you're finished. And it came in this plastic container, okay? What you do with this and this, which are herbs, you're gonna put the herbs in here, in this area right here. And this pops out. So let me show you. See, it pops out. And what you do with this, you sit it in your toilet, like below the lid. And you put the herbs and you pour hot water and you're gonna steam. So when you steam, it's called Yoni steaming, guys. So just to be clear, I've been Yoni steaming lately. And the benefits of Yoni steaming. First of all, Yoni, if you guys don't know, is everything in the vaginal area of the woman, of course, the womb, and everything that is in that area. So I wanted to do a video on this because there's a lot of great benefits for Yoni steaming. Some of the benefits, and I'm gonna list probably somewhere on the screen as well, because there's so many benefits for Yoni steaming. Vaginal dryness is one. Menstrual cramping. You don't want to do it when you're on your period, or you want to do it before or after. So also it can help with fibroids. It's been known to help with hemorrhoids. It helps get your vaginal area and your uterus back to when you have a baby. Sometimes it gets stretched out, so it can heal it, and I guess a faster way to shrink it back to normal or back to the regular size. Stress, it can detoxify. There's so many benefits of Yoni steaming. So I thought I would try it. And I did a video, not of me doing it exactly, but showing you how you work the herbs into this with the hot water. And you would have to disrobe from the waist down, use a towel to wrap you, or a Yoni sheet, blanket, whatsoever, because you want to steam down there, okay guys? And you want to do it for 20 to 30 minutes. I don't think it's recommended to do it longer, but yeah. And the herbs, these are natural herbs, and it has calendula, flower, rose petals, lavender, basil leaves. I mean, you guys can even do your own herbs if you have them around the house, or if you have a garden or something, you can do your own. It smells pretty good. They have different ones that you can get as well, but this is the one I got off of Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description box of both these items. I bought them separately, and I will be buying more of the herbs. But all you need is about a half a cup of the herbs, a cup or half a cup of the herbs. Put it in the Yoni seat, fill it up with the water, let it steam for about a minute, and then you're going to make sure it's not too hot, guys, because you don't want to be burning nothing down there. You know, you want it to be intact. But yeah, Yoni steaming is beneficial, and so far I've liked it, and I will continue to do this. So yeah, guys, if you guys have any more questions, I just want to do a briefing of the benefits of Yoni and how to do it. So if you guys have any questions for me, or if you want to just look it up, it's called Yoni steaming. And like I said, I have the links in the description box of where to get these products. So guys, that's the end of my video. Please stay tuned. I will be showing a demonstration in the next clip. But you guys have a great and awesome day. Peace. Okay, so this will be the steaming herbs I use. I bought it separately, and I will be possibly buying another one. I just wanted to check this one out. This is all the stuff that is inside, and I will be placing this inside of my Yoni seed. So inside, this is how it came packaged, and it has a bag, some instructions. So this will be how you store it, and the little bottom part comes out. They have different colors. These are directions, and I will take this out. Okay, and this is, I'm spilling it everywhere, but this is what everything looks like inside. Yeah, I'm making a big mess, guys. But this is a refillable bag, so I can refill it. But I'm gonna pour some of these herbs, and it smells like barley. I expected it to smell better, but it's 100% natural, as you can see. So yeah, but I'm gonna put some of this in the seat and pour some hot water. Okay, and this is the amount I'm putting in there, just enough to cover the bottom, because I'm going to be sitting on this for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna pour some hot water, and I will cover myself with a towel just to get that extra steaming going, and I will let you guys know how it is. Also, it has this little spout, so when we're done, you just lift it up and pour all the contents in the toilet and flush. All right, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so this is boiling hot water. So what we're going to do, oh, and it has some little vents right here too. I just want to show you guys. But we're gonna pour it in like so. You guys can, I don't know if you guys can see the steam, but yeah, it's quite hot. So that's how it looks, guys. So I will be back with my review. I'm going to sit on this for 30 minutes, and I will let you guys know the results. See you later. Hey guys, it's Melissa again, and today I'm doing a try on